So hello mysterious people of the internet, and how are you today? So today I thought I would film because today, it is Bonfire night here in the UK, which is like this anniversary really, that we mark. Well, if you don't know, there's like this guy called Guy Fawkes who decided to blow up the Houses of Parliament, but he failed because that's what us British people are like. We always fail at stuff. So yeah, so every year we have like this massive celebration where everyone does fireworks and bonfires, and everyone calls it like Guy Fawkes night or Bonfire night or whatever you want to call it. I don't care. We don't normally do firework, Guy Fawkes, Bonfire night, whatever you want to call it, because like our garden isn't really that. Well, it's a reasonable sized garden, but like we just don't really do it. Plus normally you can normally see fireworks in my house or my dad's normally like just over there in the distance over there, so we just normally stand here and then it's like a free fireworks show. You don't have to buy fireworks or anything. So yeah, I've sort of overcome my fears of fireworks, I guess, because of New Year's Eve in London. So I was like, yeah, I was a bit like, oh my god, but I overcame it a little bit. I still hate balloons though, but yeah, that's nothing to do with Bonfire night. But I've persuaded my dad to have at least a bonfire because I've wanted to burn all my old school books, not the revision ones, like the actual like books, because I'm never going to use them again. So I'm just going to burn them. So I thought I'd vlog it because why not? It's going to be fun. Burning all the school books. So yeah. Plus it's bonfires. Bonfires are great, even though you absolutely stink of smoke. But who cares? Bonfires, yeah! Night. Loki hates fireworks.